we're getting ready to dig ourselves out. We don't have a shovel, so I've literally got a bucket, and I'm gonna start bucketing us out.
Where are you gonna throw it at?
Over the top. That's about all I can do. So.
You know what though?
What?
If she has a shovel, we could borrow her shovel and you could throw it in here a little
She
bit.
can't get her screen door open.
Okay. Uh-huh. I mean, like back here, babe. For now.
For now.
We can always sweep it out and shovel it out.
Actually, no, I do want, babe. This is rain toast.
Where's it at? I'll grab it.
In the closet. If this caves in on me, I love you, babe.
I know what you could do.
What's that?
Hollow that bottom out and then charge through there.
That's probably what I'm gonna do, although, babe, it's full. I'll be back with help, babe.